Alright, we're on a test ride of the Honda Forza 300. The bike's been awesome, but we come around the corner and see some elephants just marching down the road, so of course we had to stop and check it out. Only in Thailand can you drive around the mountain and see elephants.
It's
got
another
baby as well.
Ah,
here! Look, the man says to take a picture closer is much better. Ah, whoa! Ah, this guy comes up right up to me. Only in Thailand can this happen. It's from Elephant Camp.
Where are you from?
America. Where are you from?
I am from Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai.
I live here.
We live Khon Kaen.
Closer here.
Closer here, he said.
Get close to the elephant. So okay, you don't be scared. Hold, touch, steady.
Touch it.
Ready? Get closer.
Babe, touch it.
Yeah. Hi.
Come on.
Bye.
No, just
You're only getting one chance.
I know, just get a picture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mà không là sắp tít nữa. Đó thì là